Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll cover a short video on Ford Fiesta MK7 generation 2018-2017, particularly Fiesta ST. If you have a Fiesta ST, guys, 1.6 turbo engine, guys, and you're wondering where the fuel filter is located and how to replace it, stay with us. We'll show you how to do that. We'll have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart, so make sure you subscribe, and if you need anything, just let us know. We'll try to make a video. So the fuel filter, guys, is the sad part is that it's in the fuel tank. Okay, this is the fuel tank under the rear seat. We have the video how to get to it, how to remove the fuel pump, and the fuel filter is integrated with the fuel pump. So it's one of those things that it's a lifetime fuel filter, so it's not replaceable. Yep, Ford did that. This is the filter and it's not replaceable. Okay, you can see right here, okay, this is the filter, guys, the whole thing. You have the fuel pump over here and the filter, but they don't even sell them, at least not yet. And to be honest with you, I don't think you can even replace it. You have to replace the whole assembly with the fuel pump. That's why they call it a lifetime fuel filter. If you want to replace it, I'll go ahead and just do the whole thing. That way, you know, the fuel pump is new too, because otherwise, if you try to replace it, okay, and you don't install this hose good, and it's under very high pressure, okay, it's going to come out, you lose fuel and the car will die and you won't be able to start it again. So I wouldn't recommend doing that. Just go with the whole assembly. So just informative video, guys, for some of you that are wondering. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.